Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Now, Jamaica's Reggae Boyz booked their ticket to the quarterfinals of the CONCACAF Nations League after beating Grenada 4-1 in their League A Group B match at the Kiana James Stadium on Thursday night. Romario Williams opened the scoring for the Reggae Boyz in the 13th minute. Scramble of a goal before Shamar Nicholson doubled their advantage in minute 23. The home side would pull one back through Trevon Williams in minute 30 before Demarai Gray quickly restored Jamaica's two-goal advantage in minute 74. Stand-in captain Bobby Reid then added a fourth for the Reggae Boyz in minute 88 to finish off the contest. The result saw Jamaica move to 7 points atop the standings with the 2 wins and a draw. In other matches in the group last night, Cuba remained in second place after playing to a 0-0 draw with Honduras at home, while Suriname played to a 1-1 draw with Haiti also at home. The Reggae Boyz will look to secure group honours when they play Haiti in their final group match at the Hazley Crawford Stadium in Trinidad on Sunday. Honduras, well, they'll also host Cuba, while Grenada, they play away to Suriname. 6 games are slated for the Issa Urban Area Manning Cup competition this afternoon. From Zone D, Cedar Grove will host former champions and last year's beaten finalists St. Andrew Technical. Excelsior will play Bridgeport High, while Tarrant will square off with Clancarthy. There will also be 3 matches in Zone F. Many-time champions St. George's College will battle Waterford. Campion College will host Jose Marti, with Pembroke Hall playing Arden High. Meanwhile, 11 matches will be contested in the Issa Rural Area Costa Cup competition. From Zone B, Froome Technical will play Rossies, while Green Island take on Merlin Otti High. In Zone C, York Castle square off with Fern Court Discovery Bay, go in search of their first win of the season when they face Button at Gallimore. From Zone E, Magatti High play Newell, with Roger Clark battling Sydney Pagan. Zone I will see Anonto Bay facing St. Mary Technical, while Iona play Karen Hall. Zone J leaders Dintle Technical will look to remain perfect this season when they play Enid Bennett. And from Zone N, Titchfield will take on Port Antonio, and Fair Prospect they host Happy Grove High. Now, Jamaica's Sunshine Girls and other players in the Suncorp Super Netball League may have to wait a while longer to know if they'll be granted the level of salary increase being sought by their union for next season. A feud has erupted after the Australian Netball Players Association rejected the latest offer from Netball Australia and the 8 Super League clubs. Netball Australia said it had offered a base wage increase of 9% over 3 years and a maximum salary cap increase of 3% over the same term, as well as a share in the profits generated by the Super Netball League for the first time. Officials from Netball Australia and the clubs expressed disappointment at the Players Association's rejection of the offer they described as a groundbreaking collective play agreement. The Players Association has countered by saying the players believe they have bent over backwards in a bid to reach an agreement and that they are now appealing for mediation to achieve meaningful and fair progress. Netball Australia said any further increases to player wages beyond the current offer would be irresponsible because they would negatively impact funding for community and grassroots netball. Now, 7 Sunshine Girls in captain Janelle Fowler, Romelda Aking, Shamara Sterling, Latanya Wilson, Jodianne Ward, Shimona Nelson and Kadian Dehaney apply their trade in the Suncorp League. The league usually runs from mid-March to early July. The West Indies women will look to end their 3-match ODI. And staying on cricket, cricket has been officially approved by the International Olympic Committee, the IOC Executive Board, to make a return to the Olympics at the Los Angeles 2028 Games. Flag football, a non-contact version of American football, squash, lacrosse and baseball, softball are also in. IOC members will now vote on Monday to ratify the board's recommendation. And that's where we pull up stumps for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.